This is Emerg-Triage Chatbot for the Perplexity Hackathon. And so here is an option for triage, where you would be the nurse to put in the patient's information and try to find out how to triage the patient properly. So in this instance, we could put patient has no signs of heart attack according to EKG. It looks clear, but patient vitals seem fine. BP is low, temperature is normal, and complains of mild chest pain on and off. And then we run this, and then it will start thinking. And during this process, the nurse could be, doing whatever the nurse does. So, as we see here, seems normal, right? Possible cause of chest pain with normal EKG, non-cardiac causes, gastrointestinal, right? This is possible. And yeah, these are normal things that you're going to hear. And as we all know, anxiety or panic attacks, that's the number one thing we like to say in America is wrong. But these other things I don't recall ever hearing in the ER, especially gastrointestinal, like GERD or, pancreatitis could potentially have that. You don't normally hear that in the ER. So this is quite interesting. And other cardiac causes, even with normal EKGs, angina, which is very possible as well, arrhythmia and other things like that, low blood pressure considerations, and it goes into telling you what to do and immediate questions to access urgency. And so you can ask additional questions here, like blood pressure is okay, right? And then the chatbot will continue thinking and hopefully provide us back some other things that we could continue off and try. And yeah, and so it will keep continuing and giving us other things to think about. GERD keeps coming up. And so, yeah, this is Emerg-Triage Chatbot for the Perplexity Hackathon. And